Hi everyone, Nikki here. If you want to make this cute little bag that is inspired by the floral 2025 trend and it has pearls on the back, then please comment.
In this kit, we have everything that we need to make this adorable bag. It includes 2 flower petal shapes. There's also a zipper with a matching zipper section to help it fit in perfectly. We also have another fabric piece called a godé, which will give the bag shape, and finally some shoulder straps. Here are some flat back pearls. They are perfect for adding a cute and elegant touch to the bag. Since they already have a flat structure, they are super easy to attach. You can either stick them on directly, as it has the little bit of sticky glue on the back, or use fabric glue, which will make it last longer. This is the thread that came with the kit. It's slightly thicker than the regular thread, which makes it extra durable for holding everything together. This kit also includes 3 needles, but for this tutorial you're going to need to use 2. This will help us stitch the bag securely while making sure everything stays in place. Now you're going to thread both needles, one on each end of the thread. To do this, simply pass the thread through the eye of the needle. Then take the pointed end of the needle and pass that through the thread. Pull it tight to secure the thread in place, creating a strong, secure knot that won't slip whilst you sew. Now take one needle and poke it through to the other side. Make sure that the thread on both sides is even. Next, take the outside needle and pass it through the next hole, bringing it to the back. Then, using the first needle, thread it back through the second hole. Be careful not to pierce through the thread itself, as this will keep the stitches neat and prevent it from looping through the first. Once you've finished stitching, make sure to end on the side that will be the inside of the bag. This way, the knot will be hidden. Cut off any excess of thread and double tie the ends securely to keep everything in place. I'm using a small brush to place a tiny dot of glue on each pearl before sticking it onto the fabric. You can create any pattern that you like. I decided to place mine on the godé and the back sections.
Hi guys, thank you for so much for watching up to this point. If you like what you've seen so far, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I've got so many things coming up. By the way, I have an Easter egg for you. If you watch the rest of the video, there should be a rotary cutter.
Using the same stitching method as before, sew the zipper into place. Make sure it's aligned properly so it opens and closes smoothly. Once the zipper is secure, sew the godé pieces together to complete the shape of the bag. This will give the bag structure and help hold everything together. Sew the back piece of the bag using the same stitching method. Keep going until you reach the last few stitches. To finish off neatly, I switched to using one needle to close the final gap, making the stitches blend as much as possible.
And that's it. I wanted to make something a little bit different for this. So sometimes I will do clothes, but sometimes I'll do bags or jewellery. If you look at my old stuff as well, you'll see that I've done like bags, jewellery, stuff like that. But if you rather sewing content, then I'll have some more of that as well. Away from that, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I've got so many things coming up. Honestly, I've got so many exciting things coming up this year, so you have to subscribe to find out what they are. Hi everyone, Nikki here. Hi everyone.